Price: 16 gigabytes RAM plus 256 gigabytes storage, 5,600 riyals. 16 gigabytes RAM plus 512 gigabytes storage, 6,100 riyals. 18 gigabytes RAM plus 1 terabyte storage, 6,700 riyals. Launch date: January 2026. Display: 6.9-inch AMOLED LTPO, 120Hz refresh rate. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 or Exynos 2600. Cameras: rear camera, 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto. Front camera, 12 megapixel under display. Battery: 5,000 mAh with 60-watt fast charging plus wireless charging. Design: slimmer than S25 Ultra, curved corners, premium finishes, S Pen support. Software: Android 16 with One UI 8.0. Other features: 5G, Wi-Fi 7, in-display fingerprint scanner, IP68, water dust resistance. Summary: the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in January 2026 with a 6.9-inch AMOLED 120Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 Exynos 2600, up to 18 gigabytes RAM, 1 terabyte storage, 200 megapixel quad camera system, and 5,000 mAh battery with 60-watt fast charging. In Saudi Arabia, prices are rumored to start from SAR 5,600 and go up to SAR 6,700 for the top variant. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Samsung leaks, reviews, price, and specifications.